Hey guys, chesypoof here for week 16 of the South Park KidRobot zipper pull openings. Yeah, so it's the last one in this row and we only have one more row left. It's kind of surprising that time's already flying that fast, but works out pretty well. Went to Viva Ska Vegas over the weekend, so saw the Aquabats. They're amazing live, like always. So let's feel this. Figure out who we got here. Well, I was wrong last week, but I'm still going to make the same guess. I'm going to guess this is Mr. Slave. He wants to open up at all. Jesus Christ. Jesus, you actually got it. Jesus. So there you go. Mr. Slave. I was wrong last week, but apparently I was right this one. Ha ha ha. You can see his little mustache, his wife beater, his pleather pants, jacket, wristband, hat. Jesus Christ. So let's see how he compares. There you go. Little baby slave. Almost basically just about double the size of Lemmy Winks, Lemmy Winks. You must escape my ass. But there you go. There's little miniature Mr. Slave. So he still looks cool though. Mr. Slave's rarity is 1 out of 20. So apparently there's only supposed to be one in the whole box. And there we go. That's it for this time. Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you next week.